Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to a Google Slam session 18. We got some great slams coming up for you. Please vote for your favorite slam later on. So first up to introduce himself is Nick. He's at EdTech conference today. Nick.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick Cusimano. I'm a Google certified teacher and Google education trainer coming to you from EdCamp St. Louis on this early morning in February.
See, that's how dedicated he is to Google and the slams, even on his morning and in an EdTech event. And next is Brian. Hi guys, welcome back to a Google Slam session.
Oh, sorry, I had something else on there for a second. I'm Brian Gray, coming to you from Austin, Texas, from my dining room table. I'm a certified apps administrator and Google education trainer.
Okay, and next up is Rolf. Rolf, you there?
Hello, it's me, Rolf. Yes, I'm hiding in Bangkok, but now I am in Udon Thani giving a training to Thai teachers in Gafe, and happy to be here.
Okay. Rolf spreading the word to other teachers like most of us do on our time off. Okay. My name's Lee Webster. I'm here in Bangkok. I'm a Google certified teacher, and I've been running the slams for over a year now. And so, first up is Nick. What are you going to show us today, Nick? Tell me when you're ready, and I'll start the clock, Nick, yeah? Can you
Ready.
Can you screen share, please?
Yep. Sorry. Ready.
Okay, Nick, take it away. Off you go.
Okay, so I'm a theater and film teacher, so I deal with storyboarding all the time. Don't know why this didn't come to me before, but Google presentations are great for storyboarding because they're collaborative, they're easy, and everyone can work on it and share, and you have all these drawing tools, so you can go to like the Scribble one and draw your person. And here's my little rudimentary person, and I do really great on artistry on my storyboards. I just need to be able to draw them, and then I can create that, and then create a screen. So I can make a copy of that slide and then move my person just a little bit more. And then I can select that person and move them over a little bit more. And then you can continue to make that the story. So I'm moving them over. And then when you go into your playing of it, it can show you the quick and easy way of the movement of your characters so the students have a plan. There's some templates available if you add the template feature on Google Docs, and you can go in and add backgrounds, and you can make all the specific things so where the plot line happens. And that is my slam, and also want to give a shout out to Sylvia Duckworth for mentioning our demo slam on her 25 Things Google.
Okay, yeah, cool. New storyboards. Okay, thanks, Nick. All dedicated as usual at an event and slamming away. Okay, and next up is Brian. What are you going to show us, Brian? If you want to screen share.
I'll get pulling up the screen share now.
Okay.
You know, it's no secret to folks in. You can start anytime. No secret that I like Google Forms and I use them for a lot of different things. I want to show you a couple of different ways you can do different things with the data that you collect through a Google Form. First, the row call demo. You got a form, you got some choices, and you might want to have all of the responses for an individual choice collected on a separate sheet within the response spreadsheet. So here I've got a form with 4 choices for the favorite cartoon and ratings for them. So we go to the live form, and I'll say Flintstones is my favorite, and I'll give it a score and submit it. I'll go to another Flintstones, but I'll score it a little higher. And in the row call demo, which is a spreadsheet plugin, or excuse me, a spreadsheet add-on, we say which column we want to split it up on. Columns have headers, automatically update the sheets, and go. And down at the bottom, in addition to the form responses sheet, I've got a new tab that shows me just the Flintstones responses. So if I come back over and do another response for Speed Racer and give it a score and submit it, go back to the spreadsheet, and now I've got another tab that has just the Speed Racer responses. So I've got a different tab for each of the responses in my first question. If you use this, you want to make sure that that first question is a required question. Nice thing about row call is that you don't have to use it with a form, and you don't have to set it up before you start it. You can come in and use the row call add-on at any point along the way, even after you've collected all of your data. It's a nice way to separate out the data from one to another.
Keep going.
The other thing that I want to show you is the form router demo. Very similar in concept, but the results are a little bit different. Instead of getting a different sheet within the same file for each response, you get a completely separate file for each of your choices. So, for example, if you're asking everyone in your class to rate a student's presentation, you can route the data for each student to a separate spreadsheet, so you can share that spreadsheet with each student individually. Pretty easy to set up. You go to the start up the form router, tell it which folder you want to put the spreadsheets into, click Create Folder, and go. It'll create a folder, it'll create the spreadsheets, and all of the data just flows there automatically. If you do want to share that data with your students, you've got to share each file individually. This program or this add-on does not do the sharing for you, but that's just a matter of going to each file and sharing it to the appropriate student. And it's all here on my website, briangray.org.
Okay. Well done, Brian. Just spot on time there, mate. As usual. Blinding. I definitely use that. Always learn something new on these slams. Quality as always, Brian. Okay, and next up is Ralph. Ralph, do you want to screen share? Hello?
Okay. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tell me when you're ready.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, off you go.
Okay, my idea is to create a page which is truly did I spell that right there? And I want your input in telling me what theme I take. So in a second, please shout out your theme. I got that right, I think. And now here, shout out the theme, please.
Oh, go on in.
Iceberg, I heard. Was that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Didn't anticipate that participation there. And create site. I hope I should have mentioned that you can you have to choose a unique URL, obviously, and there we hopefully go. And has it gone through? No. Oh my God, why? Okay. I forgot that I'm not in the domain. In the domain, there are more valid URLs. In the public Google sites, for sure, the good ones are taken. And here we are. We have 3 components to change. This is the header, this is the title of a page, and this is the sidebar. We start with the layout button here in the gear menus. Layout here. Layout and manage site are important, as are page settings later on. So here we have the edit site layout. We have only switch on the horizontal navigation. I look at the time and I have not enough time. So we switch off the site and we go to the header and make
1 minute.
Yeah,
going.
it's I won't finish in time. And so I try to switch off the sidebar. That's done. I go into the page manage site and switch off the search. I'm losing that one. Oh my god. But I blame it on my internet and I switch off the search. And there is one button. I may please finish the show. Save. And one button. Please, Lee, let me finish this one button. The horizontal navigation, layout, alignment, centered. Once we have done that.
You're right.
Okay, I think my result is not that visible now. Okay. Thank you. My timer beeps right here.
Okay, well, so you've got a timer on yourself, yeah?
Yeah. I need that, otherwise I wouldn't.
Okay, so that's why.
Okay.
I wonder if it was the timer.
You can't use slides for a truly centered page.
Okay, so what were you trying to do? Sorry, Ralph. Say again. Hello.
You can make the navigation header all truly centered, so you have a nice centered page layout.
Oh, okay. Thanks, Ralph. Thanks, Ralph. Okay. Right, and I'm up now. Who's like to time for me? Ralph, you've got a timer up.
I will.
Okay.
We are at 3 minutes, aren't we?
Yeah. Are you ready?
Whenever you're ready.
Okay, let me screen share.
When you start screen sharing, I'll click.
Okay.
Donnie's not here today, so time's up, Lee.
Yeah, he's every week. He's going to jump in, hopefully. Okay, see my screen, guys, yeah? Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
3,
So,
2,
yeah, start,
1.
go. Okay. So what I'm going to look at is insert. And in here, they have special characters. I don't know if you've realized that. So if I click special characters, so say I was looking for, I'm going to try and draw it, an umbrella. Okay, so you can draw in here. All right, and it should pop up now. Where is it? There we go. So there's an umbrella, and it comes up in there. Let's see if I can draw a telephone. Okay, there you go. There's my telephone. Click. Okay, got that. Maybe a crane. Let's draw that. There it is. There's a crane. A clock. Let's draw a clock. Okay. There's a clock. Okay. And let's have a smiley face for the slam. Smiley face. And there you go. There's loads of smiley faces. Okay. There's that. Maybe a currency. Let's go for the pound. So the dollar. Okay. So there's the pound. Also, what you can do, so if I go over here and enter, I'm not very good at, I was never very good at French, but I'm going to try and draw an accent to this. So there's an E, and then the accent comes out the top here. Where is it? It's that one there. And then type the word in. Let's have a look. Yeah, come on. There you go. It's back in. Deal, which means hook, I believe. I can't pronounce it, but there you go. Let's have another French word. So the next one is naive, I think. So I do the I. So there's the I, and the accents are here. Let's have a look. Ooh, maybe a bit bigger. Found it earlier. Is that it there? Don't seem to. Let's try that again.
50 seconds.
Dot here. Dot here. Can't seem to find that one. Okay, so that's it. This there, and naive. So let's type in here. Okay, which means trusting. Okay, so you can easily draw in there. It's great for doing symbols, but it's also great for doing French accents and Spanish accents as well. Okay, and that is my slam. Okay.
Very good. 7 seconds left.
7 seconds left. Okay. Okay, guys. Going to say our goodbyes now. I don't think Donnie is going to make it. He said that he's sorry, but he's got his son's birthday today, so family is always forgivable. Family always comes first, especially with Donnie's boy. He's had quite a few mentions on this show, and I'm sure he's got his hand full, so he obviously hasn't had time to come in. So we're going to say our goodbyes. Please make sure, guys, that you vote, and the next show will be next month. Take care, guys. Mind how you go. Keep on slamming. Bye.
Thank you very much. Have a good evening, everybody. Bye.
Okay. Bye.